How are hotel room rates based on?
It is based on the type of room location. It is based on the type of room location of the hotel, ocean view and back view, and the season, high season or low season.
Right. How is the rate of hotel rooms classified?
Consortium rate, corporate rate, industry rate, government rate, package rate, promotional rate, rack rate and resort rate.
Right. On what basis is the consortium rate decided?
It is a negotiable rate on the basis of the number of passengers.
Right. How long are hotel room rates offered to business travelers?
20 to 30% less than the current rate.
Right. What does the hotel room rates of a business traveler depend upon?
It is depend upon in a year how many times the hotel room is being used.
Right. How is the government hotel room rate determined?
It is a negotiated rate between the government agency and the hotel, and which is paid by the government employee.
Right. When do some hotel offer hotel rooms to any government employee at this rate?
After proper identification.
Right. Which employees are given the industry rate?
The employee which is working in the travel industry.
Right. Who can be the employees working in the travel industry?
Airline, hotel, travel operator, travel agencies and tour wholesale packages.
Right. To whom are military hotel rates given?
Military hotel rates are given to the military people to promote trade in the military bases.
Right. To whom are the package hotel rates given?
Package hotel rates are the fixed rate which is negotiated by the wholesale packages when they require a large number of hotel room.
Right. Who require hotel room in large quantities?
Air hotel, cruise hotel and holiday packages.
Right. When are promotional rates offered?
Promotional rate are offered to offered by some hotels when their rooms are empty to generate extra revenue.
Right. What can be included in promotion rate?
Foods and drinks.
Right. When are promotional rates valid?
It is valid seasonally, especially on some dates, vacations and dates vacations.
Right. What type of rack hotel rate is?
Rack hotel rate is when there is no discount and no rebate is given on any hotel room.
Right. What can cause resort rate to fluctuate?
Advance payment, single property agreement, season and deposits.
Right. What type of restriction do resort rate have?
Cancellation and early checkout.
Right. How many types of hotel rooms are there?
Deluxe rate, minimum rate, standard rate, superior rate and suites.
Right. What is the deluxe rate?
It is the maximum amount which is charged for the regular sized room.
Right. What is the minimum rate?
It is the lowest amount charged for the regular sized room when there is drawback of rooms.
Right. What is the standard rate?
Standard rate is the lowest rate charged for the regular sized bedroom.
Right. How is the suite priced?